This is our thermal heater running on two 330 watt panels on our SunRay half horsepower. Now the water is going through the thermal heater. Our thermal heaters are $16.99, and our main goal is to have 30 feet. So over here we have two 15-footers. These all can float in the water. And we cut these at three 10-footers, two 15s, or we give you a one long 30-footer. This is running really well. It's our return, and this is going through the thermal heater. And even in this cloudy day, there's a pretty good difference. I'd say at least 5-6 degrees of difference right now. And a full day we'll get to about 10-12 degrees difference coming out of our heater. But that'll definitely give you the thermal heating that you can float in the pool, sit out of the pool, but that'll give you that 10 to 12 degrees warmer water filtering through. And as that builds up throughout the week, you'll have a nice warm pool, you know, close into the 80s. Right now, I bet you this pool is about in the 80s right now. Running for the last week because we had some good weather, except obviously today. This is our half horsepower. We have a little valve here, so we never want to send all the water flow to the thermal heaters. You typically want to only send about 3 gallons a minute or so through them, so they get a nice flow and it gets heated up well. Then the return, the excess water goes to the return line. And here we can have it so you can feel the difference. Now, when you just touch the water, you can definitely tell there's well over 10 degrees difference. You know, it's feeling really nice and warm. This would be beautiful to swim in. This would be refreshing. This would be going, whoa, this thing's cooking nice and hot. So that's our thermal heater. Now these do float in the pool. We have little floats, so you can float them right in there. Or you can just lay them down on the ground, or we'll get some pop-up tables and do it that way. If you want to just do that for 4 or 5 months, that's quick and easy. They roll right up, go right back in the garage. Now how hot do you think that is?
That's like 90.
Yeah, right. Yeah, that's easy 90.
You get a good flow coming through. That would make the difference, because that would eventually, you would move the needle like, you know, no BS, like 5, 6, 7 degrees. And the difference between like 67 and like 73 would be the kids are swimming in the pool.
Right.
The difference between 73 and like 80 is that the adults are swimming in the pool.
Yeah.
You know, and so, I mean, where does that fit in? I say a couple months on both sides.
Mm-hmm. I think so too.
Being realistic, so you're taking 3 to 4 months and turning it into like 6, 7, 8 months.